Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right. Just eat it, eat it, eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Just eat it, eat it, eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and eat it. Don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right. Just eat it, 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 eat it.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, March 17, 2026. Opening brief. Hey, what's good my traveling fam? Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting. Today everybody wearing green and lying like, I totally planned ahead. Meanwhile the airport's like, is it real? Let's get into this travel tea. First brief. UAE said, airspace closed, okay never mind, missiles/drones got flights scrambling. What that blue said to Rattles was, so boom, the UAE temporarily closed its airspace today as a precaution because of missile and drone threats, then reopened it after things stabilized. This is coming right after that drone-related fire near Dubai airport earlier in the week, and it's still shaking up Gulf region flying, reduced operations, reroutes, delays, and higher costs. Dubai is a global connection plug. When Dubai cough, the whole planet catch a delay. Folks out here flying in circles like a Windows update, restart required. Don't book international travel like nothing can change. The cheat code is flexible tickets plus checking alerts twice before you even leave the house. Second brief. US weather chaos is still cooking flights, cancellations plus delays everywhere. What that blue said to Rattles was, now stateside, the storm mess is still active. AP reported nearly 900 flights cancelled and about 1,800 delayed as the system pushed east, hitting hubs like Chicago, New York, and Atlanta. And Reuters said Monday alone saw 500 plus delays/cancellations with major disruptions at places like LaGuardia, JFK, Newark, Reagan National, Charlotte, Atlanta, Orlando, and Houston. This weather got airports looking like a family reunion you didn't RSVP to, packed, loud, and somebody always crying by gate 12. They'll have you blaming yourself for delays you can't control. Your power move is buffer time and backup options, because the sky is not your friend this week. Third brief. March Madness starts today in Dayton, and fans are traveling like rent don't exist. What that blue said to Rattles was, it's game day, the first 4 tips off tonight in Dayton, Ohio, including UMBC versus Howard and Texas versus NC State, with games on True TV and streaming options via the March Madness app/Max. Soon as that bracket drops, everybody becomes a lifelong fan. Yesterday you didn't know the coach name, today you need a flight to Dayton by dinner. Don't book March Madness travel on pure emotion. Use that same energy to book refundable and keep your receipts organized. Wildcard brief. The Cardinal, 1,146 miles of America outside the window, Shenandoah Valley plus historic city stops. What that blue said to Rattles was, so boom, this 1,146-mile Amtrak run is the Cardinal, and it goes Chicago, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, West Virginia, Virginia, Washington, D.C., NYC. On the way you get Indiana farmland, the Ohio River, the Appalachian Mountains, views along West Virginia's New River, including the New River Gorge Bridge, then it slides through Virginia's Shenandoah Valley before rolling into D.C. and New York. Baby, this is the kind of trip where you blink and the scenery changes like a mood swing. 1 minute it's city, next minute it's mountains, then you in D.C. acting like you're in a documentary. Quick grown folk tips. It only runs 3 days a week, plan like an adult, not like a gambler. If you want the prettier stretch, aim for the parts where you'll be in WV/VA during daylight, that's where the wow views live. They'll have you thinking travel has to be airport stress and seatbelt trauma. Nah, sometimes the flex is sitting down, watching America roll by, and letting your mind breathe. Travel tip of the day. Ladies, being late is not cute. Men, ignoring alerts is not emasculine. Everybody, pack light, arrive early, and stop acting shocked when travel acts like travel. That's the real, lucky me, discipline. Fourth brief. FAA about to argue with airlines again over cutting O'Hare summer flights. What that blue said to Rattles was, FAA is resuming talks Thursday on reducing summer daily flights at Chicago O'Hare, with a target around 2,608 flights/day, lower than what airlines scheduled. O'Hare already be stressful. Now imagine less flights and more people. That's math that leads to violence, in your spirit. Fifth brief. Southwest is pulling out of O'Hare plus Dallas after June 4th. What that blue said to Rattles was, Southwest says it'll stop flying from Chicago O'Hare and Washington Dallas starting June 4, 2026, while leaning on nearby airports like Midway, BWI, and Reagan National. That's the airline version of I'm not arguing with y'all. I'm just leaving. Sixth brief. New TSA, touchless ID lanes are expanding, but it's facial recognition. What that blue said to Rattles was, Washington Post says TSA's pre-check touchless ID is expanding, using facial recognition to speed identity checks, but you can opt out, and privacy concerns are part of the conversation. They wanna scan your face to save 8 minutes, but the line's still gonna humble you if you show up late. Closing brief. Alright my traveling fam, happy St. Paddy's, don't drink and drive, don't book emotional, and don't let the Matrix rush you. When you're ready to compare trips the smart way, hit breathtakinglagoon.com. Stay booked, stay blessed, peace. Rattles out.
Babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you're booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye!